Hello, gorgeous. I have the beautiful Tanaya with me today, and we both have BoxyCharm boxes. I convinced her to sign up for BoxyCharm. Yay. And we both have our base box for February, and we're going to be unboxing that for you. So stay tuned. Hi. Thank you for joining us today. How exciting. We both have the BoxyCharm boxes for the month of February. This is Tanaya, my beautiful assistant. And we're going to show you what we got. Yay. So, do you want to start? We would do it together? Do it separately? We didn't even plan this. We were just like, hey, let's do this. Right. We
got pretty much all the same.
We got the same things, except we got different palettes. We both already peeked into our boxes. But we got the same exact box, except I got the palette that I chose for February. So we can start with, or we can start with our, how did yours go? See, my palette's on the top. Is yours on the top? So we'll just skip and go to this one. Yeah. The Saturday Skin. We both got the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I was really excited about getting this. Ooh, you can't see mine. Box. These are, is that a glass bottle or is it a plastic bottle? Ooh, plastic. No, that's plastic. It looks glass, but. So the Saturday Skin. Cute little on the top. Did you smell yours yet? What? Oh, it's got a little
smells like orange, kind of.
It's got. I just dropped the spoon. It's got a little spoon with it that you can get it out.
It's like chunky. It's like orange chunky.
Yeah. It's
just be careful opening it when you do.
It does smell like orange.
I think it's orange peel. It kind of looks like orange peel.
Well, it's yuzu. Vitamin C. It's a yuzu fruit, so yeah. Ooh, okay then. It's like jelly consistency, but it does smell like really, really orange. Good.
And you keep it on overnight, don't you?
Yeah, it's a sleep mask. So you put it on at night.
It's after you do your cleansing, though. I read something about it.
Yeah, you do your cleansing, and you can do a serum.
Yep.
That's and then put the sleep mask on and let it sit overnight. That's pretty cool. This one retails for $29, which actually isn't that bad. Saturday Skin is usually fairly decent for pricing, unlike some of the other ones. And then we got the Tristique Eye Duo set. And something that Tanaya brought to my attention is this one has an eyelash curler.
The mascara does.
Yeah, it has an eyelash curler on it, which I was like, what? And she took hers out and showed me. And sure enough, okay, it's got the pencil.
Yep.
And then just a basic
And then
pencil.
this, you just pop it off.
You just pull that off.
And then this, you just...
Okay, I'm going to go like
that's that.
Wow, that is so cool. But here's my issue with this. It's so small.
Right.
Like, if you're curling, you would only be able to do like half and half. And if you mess up like half of it, does it smell? It smells like mascara.
I like to smell everything.
I do too. They know that. I smell everything. Like, I sniff everything.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it just smells like mascara. But there's the wand. So, that was pretty cool. I mean, I have enough mascara and eyeliner to sink a ship, but...
This eye pencil, there's an eye pencil, and there's an eye stick. And then there's this.
Okay. Oh, that's a smudger.
Okay?
That much
and then
smudge.
there's, so here's a pencil stick.
You don't use that, babe.
It's an eye pencil. You sharpen it.
What? Yes. That's weird. I won't be doing that.
And then there's this. So there's...
So just like a basic stick liner. Which these are good to have on hand, especially if you want to smudge out and do like a smoky under eye.
This is weird.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't understand what... I think they mean it just looks like a pencil.
But if we sharpen it...
I don't know. This one retails for $44. What? $44 for a freaking eyeliner and a mascara? Okay, Tristique,
I probably would not spend that much money.
I would never spend $44 on a freaking mascara. Are you kidding me? No. Okay. Wow. Go on with yourself, Tristique. Okay, and our next item is the Glimmer.
Yeah.
Glimmer. And it's, shadow brushes. But the cool thing about these, I love this. I hate this thing right here. I don't like this. It's like really hard PVC plastic type material. I don't know. It's annoying. But these eye brushes, look at this. With glitter. They're so cool.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, it is.
And it fits perfect with this month.
Yeah,
the pink and
the hearts.
Yeah, very Valentine-y.
Yeah, but they're so cool. They don't really work that great. You gotta shake them.
I'm excited to see how well the brushes work.
Yeah, me too. They're really soft though. They're really soft brushes. So they're gonna. I feel like they're gonna
work
really
pretty
well.
good.
Like with this one though, you're not gonna get a dense color payoff. You're not gonna get. It's not dense brush, so you're not gonna get like high color payoff. But for blending and stuff like that, they're gonna be perfect. Yay! So that one is $29.95. Oh, I wouldn't pay that for just a few brushes either. But I'm kind of cheap, so that's why I get BoxyCharm. Okay. Next up on our list here is the St. Lux Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. So these are lip liners. I have a hard time opening these boxes with my nails. You want this? You just pop it in. Yeah, right? That's why I keep these handy. And they're just basic brown lip liners. So you can see the two colors here. There's a lighter brown and a darker brown, like a cocoa brown.
Yep.
I've never used anything by St. Lux, so I'm curious to try, but I don't typically wear... Wow, that was on there good. I don't typically... Wow, look at that point on there. That's kind of cool. Mm-hmm. That's different. I don't typically wear... Browns. Ooh, that's creamy, though. Holy cow, that's creamy. That just glides right on. All right, I'll give them a shot. I'll use them maybe with a gloss.
Right.
And try them out. And those are worth... Oh, what? Limited edition. I wonder if that's why there's $40, you guys. $40 for two freaking lip liners. Bro.
20 each.
I would go to the freaking dollar store and buy a $2 liner. Like, I would not pay $20 for a lip liner. Ever. That's kind of expensive. Okay, and on to our next one. You want to show yours first?
Sure. I got the Wander Beauty.
We all know how I feel about Wander Beauty. What's it called? Is it called something?
Getaway Eye and Face Palette.
Oh, that's kind of cute, though. Yeah, so you got like a blush. I don't know if you use blush, but you got a highlighter, too.
Yeah.
So you can use that for inner corner or highlight.
Well, I'm pretty simple. Like, my colors are pretty simple when I do stuff, so.
For now.
We'll see.
For now. I'm a getter. You just wait. I'm a getter doing this.
So, yeah. And that is $36.
Yours was $36. And then this was my choice item for the month. I chose the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette, and I was so excited for this because you guys know I love me some color. And when I seen it on the pick list, I was like, oh, yes, please. I'll take that. And I love the packaging on the outside, too. Look at that. It's so pretty. It makes me, like, not want to throw these boxes away. Oh, wait, hey. Looks the same on the inside. Ha! Box is gone. So here's the inside. And then this is...
Oh, my goodness.
What the palette looks like. So it is gorgeous. Look at those colors, you guys. Look at that purple. I can't wait to get that purple. But that's it. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mattes and 2 shimmers. So this is a shimmer and this is a shimmer right here. and the rest are mattes. So that's gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? And this one retails for $38.99, which is pretty typical for a palette. So yeah, let's tally our boxes up here. See how much ours are worth. So I had So my box was worth $181.94, so basically $182.
And mine was $178.95.
So that's not bad. I mean, we paid $25 a piece for these boxes, and we got that much of a value out of them. I mean, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. BoxyCharm is my favorite subscription box. You always get amazing products for the price point that you pay for them. I've never been disappointed with a box so far in the year and a half that I've been subscribed to them. So, and I just got her into it. This is your second one.
My second box. Well, my first one got stolen.
I know, so bad.
And then I got the Luxe one.
Oh yeah, you got the Luxe upgrade.
Yeah. And then I got this one. So technically my third, but it's my second that I have it open.
And then next month we get our Luxe boxes. Yes, you did your choice for that, didn't you? What did you choose?
I chose the heating brush.
Oh, I got that too, yeah.
And then I chose the oil for your skin, I think.
Oh, yeah. I can't remember what my second one was, but whatever. I'm sure we'll be back again to show you guys what we got in our boxes next month. So, as usual, have a fabulous, fabulous day, and remember, keep sparkling.